How to analyze blue screen error. In this video, we'll learn how to analyze a blue screen error. Even if you don't remember the error code you saw, you can still analyze it. First, navigate to this PC, then open disk C. Go to Windows and look for a folder named MiniDump. Inside, you'll find .dmp files. Windows creates these .dmp files every time it encounters a blue screen. Next, sort the files by date modified and look for the most recent .dmp file. Once you've figured out which file to analyze, go to the Microsoft Store, search for WinDbg, and install it. Since I already have it installed, I'm just going to open it. In the top menu, click File, then select Open Dump File, and browse to the location of the .dmp file. If you encounter a permission error when trying to open the file, just copy the file to another location. I'm pasting it in Drive O. Now, browse to that file's new location. Once the analysis begins, when it shows the 8KD option, type the following command, !analyze-v, then hit Enter. Now, the analysis is complete. You can copy and paste this information into ChatGPT or Google to find a fix. For me, it shows the error Video Memory Management Internal, which is most likely related to a GPU problem. So, I'm going to search for it on Google and find potential fixes for this error. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button